I am Wanika Tadeo. I don't drink. I'm a man who is focused by the Spirit of God. I am not mad. I called you so that I can get a connection from our country, Uganda, as I'm aspiring to go and become the president of USA. That is the main point I've called you. And I need to see that the country America becomes great forever. Because once you lead a nation, when you admire it, God will always use you to take that nation very far. But that's why I'm inspiring from here, Uganda, from the good well wishers who wishes me good things. I also wish them good things. I go and I become a great USA president. It is a godly dream from himself, not from personally, not from anyone else. You know, when you are with God, you are safe in everything. The reason why I'm focusing to go and become the president of USA, there is a lot that God is going to use me to touch the world, to change the political leadership of all nations in the world. Obviously, I cannot just go directly to what has failed President Biden. To other hand, he has done something good, but to my view, as I'm being guided by the Spirit of God, I'm seeing America has been deteriorated into relationship internally and externally. So God wants to bind all of those wounds that the American people and the relationship of other nations, they become again united. You know, when you are united, you go higher. As my great mentor, the 16th president of the United States of America, Abraham Lincoln, who said, if a nation is divided, it will never go forward. But if a nation is united, it goes higher. So I'm a uniting president, inspiring to be of the United States of America, so that people will enjoy peace in the world.
Elaborate small, just about your background.
My background, I am Wanika Tadeo, born of Eastern Region, Butaleja District, Kachonga Sub-County, Mawanga Village. I am a married man. I'm having 6 children and my beloved wife, Ted Namsisi, that God has blessed me with. We are so happy in the family. I am making 40 this year.
So you want to make your dream come true?
It will become true because it is God pushing me, my brother, Miss Saloni.
Who is behind you?
The Spirit of God.
So people will judge you that there are some people using you.
No one is using me. When David was going to kill Goliath, Saul thought that there is something Saul thought that there is something David is using. But it was God's plan. This joy you are seeing in me, my brothers and sisters all over the world, most especially America, my brothers, America will enjoy peace as I'm going to be a leader. There is no any president in America and the entire whole world that will make America happy, like I, Wanika Tadeo, who has been chosen by God. That's why you see me, my brother. I am so happy. Those people, God has already shown me they love me from highest hierarchy to the lowest hierarchy. There is no any state in the world, I mean in America, that will not, that hates me. That's why I love America. That's why America is in my blood to lead it.
Maybe you dreamed yesterday that these people they love you.
No. Yeah, no. My brother, I am the happiest. In fact, every joy I'm having here, God is saying, my son, you are delaying to Gwandi, being the nation that have made you to lead my people.
Or you are looking for a job?
No, 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 no. If I was to be looking to a job, Uganda doesn't have a job.
People say Uganda and they don't have jobs.
No, jobs are in Uganda. But what makes us to go far, it is God's call.
So what? How do you survive in the standards of living? What do you do?
Right now, I work in Makerere as a laboratory technician, Makerere College, Kitante Senior Secondary School, and Makerere University.
You're not looking for a job.
I'm not looking for a job. But I'm obeying the law of God, the voice of God. When Moses was in Midian, he thought God is just joking. God told him, go and liberate my people in Egypt. He was looking after the what? The animal. So even me, people outside the world, most especially my brothers in America and in Tahoe, don't say I'm joking. This is the voice of God.
People will say that you're joking actually.
I know. A very great leader in the world, he goes like the worm I am. Sometimes you will not know how God will emerge a great leader. The world will enjoy peace. America will enjoy peace. There is no any president, my dear brother, in America, from George Washington to the current president, Joe Biden, that will bring peace and prosperity, like I, Amaerica Tadeo, the chosen of God. I'm so happy. America live in peace. America will live in peace.
So how are you going to start campaign? Elaborate us more.
As so far, the campaign I've started, I'm appealing to my fellow Ugandans, especially from the top leaders who can support me, and everybody. You can support me in prayer, you can support me materially, and through connection I will be very happy. Even to my brothers in America, most especially from the top hierarchy, President Biden, all other people, business billionaires, I call upon you, my brothers, so that you help me and I complete the dream of God.
Question and is what cricket.
Mm.
Just meet Joe Biden. What are the words could you share with him?
I will share with the word of taking America to be great. Soon retiring. I will say my fellow colleague, I mean my fellow mentor, God has enabled you to complete your goal. So what will you advise you give me so that as I'm inspiring also to take America ahead, that we shall share to take. No, I'm not his opponent.
Why?
Because he is retiring.
He's not going to come. Oh.
Yes.
So what are the other president would you fear then?
In America,
They are going to be contesting with you.
the near future presidents or aspirers, there is no. There is no.
So for you are already taken America?
I've already taken America. Not because to destroy it, but to take America far and far. And that is the joy of the people of America.
What other areas do you know from America?
Washington DC, where I will be in the Oval Office, welcoming my brothers and sisters all over the world. And whenever, in fact, Miss Alon, I'm very happy.
Washington is known by everyone.
First, wait. Let me first, because this is so inspiring. God bless you. Maybe you are God's agent to me. When I'm seated here, I'm already in the Oval Office. In the name of the Lord. Are you seeing the joy?
So we are seeing you physically, mentally.
Auntie, you have asked me, what cities do you know? First of all, I've seen the administrative city, the center of the whole of USA. I can tell you more. I see California, I'm seeing Mexico City, I'm seeing A lot of very many cities, because you have said just celebrate few cities.
Talk about battles and fighting. Oh, English.
In fact, what I'm seeing, the real battle in America is about the advancement of that nation. You know, every nation, when it goes advanced, many people will fight you. And most especially, the enemies will always use internal people. But when God blesses with a leader, blesses a nation with a leader who fears God, God will solve all those. And I am the one whom God has chosen. But before we end, I thank America for the good heart they have all over the world. They have assisted very many nations. People have talked a lot to America, but America will thrive through helping. When you help, you'll never fall. Since God has chosen me, America is going to go very far. Among the stingy, among the best president in the world that will help the world is President Monica Tadeo, the chosen of the United States of America. And I wish, in fact, I wish the American ambassador, His Excellency William Pope, for loving Uganda and to explain, appeal, Miss Aloni,
Who is behind you?
the Spirit of God.
So people will judge you that there are some people using you.
No one is using me. When David was going to kill Goliath, Saul thought that there is something Saul thought that there is something David is using. But it was God's plan. This joy you are seeing in me, my brothers and sisters all over the world, most especially America, my brothers, America will enjoy peace as I'm going to be a leader. There is no any president in America and the entire whole world that will make America happy, like I, Monica Tadeo, who has been chosen by God. Those people, God has already shown me they love me from highest hierarchy to the lowest hierarchy. There is no any state in the world, I mean in America, that will not, that hates me. That's why I love America. That's why America is in my blood to lead it.
Maybe you dreamed yesterday that these people they love.
No. Yeah, no. My brother, I am the happiest. In fact, every joy I'm having here, God is saying, my son, you are delaying.